everyone, my name is Will. Welcome to Will Habit. So Meta just announced their very first Quest Day and it'll be on December 14th, which is a Tuesday. So let's get into what we know so far. So Meta has been teasing us with some sort of surprise for the upcoming holidays. A few days ago on December 10th, they released an email to some Quest users with the subject line, Holiday Drop Inquiry. And within the email it stated, I propose a holiday Quest Day where I reveal my creations that are totally useful. Plus, there was a mysterious illustration that was attached to the email with the Quest headset with legs. Super cryptic of what they meant by this image, but this video they posted recently on their social media accounts kinda helps clarify the image.
My sidekick Questy, everybody. Happy Quest Day! Oh, look, my cookies are ready. Stay in the beam. Hey! Quester, I look like a friggin' rock star or what?
Is this simply their new mascot for Quest Days every year, or is there another layer to this? It could just be a one-off marketing campaign to inject something fun into the VR community because they didn't really introduce anything new in terms of VR hardware this year. The big announcement during the Connect conference was more or less about the metaverse and the company's name change to Meta. Now, according to another email that was sent out, the Quest Day will be on December 14th, which is a Tuesday beginning at 9 AM Pacific Standard Time. It's going to be a showcase of wild creations and free drops of Quest fans. Tune in live on social media and be first to claim one of our wacky creations. So if you go on the Quest Day's website, according to the terms and condition, it's only open to residents in the US and you need to be 18 years or older. Now if you scroll down under how to claim your gift section, you have to go on Quest Day's website and click on the Claim It Now button for any gifts currently available to be claimed. In other words, while supplies last. Then fill in your contact, shipping, and age information. So we still don't know exactly what they will be giving away or what accessories or products or even games that they'll be showing us. And will they be doing this every year? I know some people are guessing maybe it's a full body tracking with accessories attached to the Quest because of the image that was displayed on the email, but I'm simple. I'm just hoping a better quality head strap with an attached earphones. By the way, I think the Quest Day site is a bit confusing because they still have the Oculus logo on their site, while the main site shows branding of the Meta Quest instead of the Oculus Quest. So it looks like they're still holding on to the Oculus branding, which is a bit strange because they did announce they are dropping the Oculus name. So anyways, tune in December 14th at 9 AM and claim your free gift while supplies last on the Quest Day's website. Let me know what you guys like to see on Quest Day or what they'll be showing. Alright guys, that's all I got for now. If you liked the video, press the like button and consider subscribing. Talk to y'all later.